Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Kesarwani, and in this video I will show you my new project CSV file viewer. So I have implemented this project using Nodejs backend using EJS templating and multi library and jQuery. So this project is running on EC2 and I will share the link of the running project and its GitHub repository in the description of this video. So the purpose of this file is to upload CSV files, to read them and display the read data as a table in the front end. Now let's go to the folder structure of this project. So now the first folder we see is the assets folder, which contains the CSS and JS files which are used to in the front end to render the data dynamically and style the front end. Then we have the controller folder, which contains controller files which have controller functions which are used to handle the endpoint requests, such as file submit request, and they also read the data and then send the data back to the front end to display it. Then we have the routes folder, which define all the routes, and here all the requests are directed to their respective controllers. Then we have the uploads folder, which contain all the files uploaded. Then we have the utils folder, which contains functions which are used to read the files, and it has also a function which is tasked with deleting the uploaded files after certain time interval. Then we have the views folder, which have EJS files which are used to display in the front end. Then we have the .env files which have environment variables used. Then we have the index.js file. So now let's see how it's working. So when you visit this link, you see a form where you have to upload the files. So now let's see. So let's upload some files. You can upload multiple files. So when you send, the request is sent to this endpoint, and this endpoint returns all the uploaded files. And now you have to select a file from these uploaded files. So this is the file which you selected, and you send the selected file to this endpoint, and this endpoint reads the data in the selected file and sends the data inside the CSV file, inside the selected CSV file. So as you can see, here is the data of the selected CSV file which has been read. So now let's see here. So you choose files here. Please ensure that the size of the file is less than 200 KB, and then you select a file from here. So if you don't select it, a message displays. So file has been selected. So now it displays the data from the selected file. Here it displays the name of the file selected, the total rows in the file, and you can search a row by column. So let's see how it's done. You select the column name, and then you enter the value. So it displays the data. You can also plot a column into either bar graph or pie chart. So let's see. So you can see the column has been plotted. You can also change the number of columns displayed, number of rows displayed. Thank you.